Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Let's see what is built-in function in Python. Okay, so Python has a set of built-in function. These are the set that are already mentioned here. These are the different kind of functions that are available to build in the Python. Okay, the first one we are having is ABS of. And I have mentioned all the description about all the terms that I have provided here. Okay, so the first one was ABS, and what is the meaning of that? That is the return the absolute value of the number. So these are the different kind of values that are available. I have written everything in the ascending order. You can see on screen, these are the different kind of terms that are available. So once you'll start reading this, you can just pause this video and just write it on your screen. And every function has a different meaning. The hash function means return the hash value of a specified object. So once you'll start reading all these terms now, then you will be able to understand what is the particular term means. Okay. So input of, what is the meaning of that? That allowing user input. So whatever the user input you have provided, it will allow that particular input. So what is the meaning of int? Return an integer number. Okay, so we have already known about these things. We have already studied in the in previous classes and everything. So you will be able to understand it properly. So just pause this video, write it somewhere, or take a screenshot, or pause this video and just record all these things. Then you will be able to understand it properly. So I have mentioned all the terms here. On screen, you can see that it is started from the A and it is going so far. Okay, till Z, you are having all the terms that are mentioned here. So that's all for today's class.